This video will show you how to pair, calibrate, change language, and upgrade firmware of Lenovo Watch X. First, we need to install Lenovo Watch Application from Google Play Store. Tap Open. Turn on your phone Bluetooth if you haven't. Next, choose Allow. Now turn on your Lenovo Watch X by pressing the button for several seconds until it shows Lenovo on the screen. Tap Next and wait until Watch X appear on your phone screen. Tap on it. Press the Watch button to pair. The next step is calibration. Press the watch icon on top right corner. Tap Calibration. Now what you have to do is insert the time that's shown on the watch. Look at your watch hand. For example, now my watch is shows 6 o'clock past 5 minutes. So I type 6 and 5. Press Start. The watch hand will start moving and you just need to wait until it stops. Here we can see time on my phone show 3 p.m. past 36 minutes. It is same as Lenovo Watch X watch hand. To change language is on same page as calibration. Just type watch language. Choose English or Chinese. There are only 2 options. Press Done. Actually, when you open Lenovo Watch Application on your phone, it will automatically upgrade the watch firmware if available like this. We just need to tap Upgrade. While upgrading, keep your watch near your phone. It will show updating on the watch screen for a while. It takes several minutes until it finishes. It's done. Here we can see my watch using firmware version 0.3.6. If you want to check if there is any firmware update, tap on Watch X, then tap on Device Version. Currently there is no upgrade. That's it for this video. Consider to subscribe so you can easily find this channel again. Thank you very much for watching.